Sorry about the sound, but I have a 2017 Ford Explorer Smart Key. It's somewhat difficult to open this up to replace the battery or to look inside. There's a lever here you have to push down, and at the same time you're gonna have to try to separate the two pieces like this. So I recommend you to, this is gonna take a little few trial. I recommend you to use a thin knife while you try to, basically I already opened this, but while you holding down this lever here or release here, you can try to have a little space here and then stick the knife in there and then try to pry it off around it. Okay, now somebody try on the video try to use your finger to actually holding down one hand and then try to separate this is really difficult because you cannot really hold on to this easily. So what I found out is to use a knife and go around it a little bit. Okay, let's try again. The first time going to be pretty tough. You can see there's a little space here, so use the knife. You can see, start prying off while you're holding the release there. See, it start to come out now. See, just be careful, don't, and then it should come out. Okay, to access the battery, this is your emergency key. To access your battery, there should be a little lip here on this side, I believe, where you can use, use a knife or a dime that I have here and open it up slowly, gently, as usual. Let me see this, if they can go out or not. All right, here. Okay, it has the battery. The problem I have is that the remote doesn't really send out the signals, but it has one battery here, or actually it should be two, I'm not sure. Okay, so one is facing down, one is side up here. Okay, and the battery number is 2035. So take picture, so one is facing down and one is facing up. Now, for some reason, I got this from a supplier. It doesn't work. So I don't know, it's the battery or the position that they have. So, or maybe my machine doesn't pick up the frequency. I don't know. So that's pretty much it. And you can put this whole thing back again, this side and in here, and then put this piece back and clip it on it, or make sure it's clicked. So that's about it. How to open the... Now, for some reason, my remote using the detector here, the frequency detector here, doesn't seem to work. Now, I look at another video, because you have two batteries here, you're gonna have to put a piece of paper to insulate the two. So I'm gonna try that. Cut a little piece, or maybe put like a paper tape here, so the polarity will not mess up. Right now, polarity kind of mess up and it doesn't generate signals. Sorry about the noise. So I did it a little crazy because I saw another video and I'm just wondering why mine doesn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little piece of paper here and then put the upside down. Okay, so it's hold tight here. Hopefully, let me see if it works. I'm gonna put everything back. Let's see if it's generating any signal here. Maybe the battery is bad. Now I don't know what happened. Okay, let me put everything back. Okay, a little tough to put in, but let me try this work.